In recent years, Evernote's development has grown stale, while Apple Notes has become a powerhouse. You might also want to make the switch completely from Evernote to Apple Notes. And if that's the case, you probably want to switch over your existing notes. So let me show you how to do that. We're over here in Evernote. Now, to move over our notes to Apple Notes, we first have to export them from Evernote. One way of doing that is clicking on Notes right here, which shows all of your notes, clicking a note, and then hitting the keyboard shortcut Command A to select all. And you'll see at the bottom I've got 28 notes selected because I've only got a few remaining notes in Evernote, but most likely you have way more. Now, if you're using this new version of Evernote, you can only select at a maximum 50 notes, which may not be enough for you. So you basically have two options. Either you can export your notes from Evernote notebook by notebook, which you might want to do anyway if in Apple Notes you want to preserve the same structure in Apple Notes' folders that you were using in Evernote's notebooks. So if you want to do that, let's just grab a notebook. I only have 3 notes in here right now, but you can have hundreds and it doesn't matter. Right-click and click Export Notebook. Then you'll see this dialog come up here, okay? And choose Enex format, .enex. Don't change any of the other things, and just click Export. I'm just going to export this to my desktop and click Save. Say OK. Now I'm going to minimize this screen and I'm actually going to open Apple Notes. Over here in Apple Notes, all I got to do is go to File, say Import to Notes, grab that document from my desktop, and click Import. Now you'll see Apple Notes says, hey, we're going to put this in an imported notes folder. That's fine. And we're going to click Import Notes. Now, you'll see that this folder shows up, the imported notes folder, and it'll have all your notes. Okay, so for me, it's only 3 right now, but it could be a lot more. So you want to repeat this for every single notebook if you want to keep your notebook structure inside Apple Notes. So what you want to do then, let's say I want to set up a folder here that corresponds to the Evernote notebook that I had. It was Admin and Finances. And I can take those notes, and I'm just using Shift to select them all now, by the way. And I can just drag those into Admin and Finances. Now they're over here. I can go back to Evernote and repeat the process. However, if you don't really care about maintaining your notebook organization and you just want to do all your notes in one go, then what you want to do is use the legacy version of the Evernote app. Okay, so that, I'll show you what that looks like. That looks like this. This is the older version of the Evernote app. I'll put a link in the description where you can download this. This really is a second option because they're not going to be working on this app anymore or fixing bugs or whatever, but hopefully it'll still work for you. Now you can go under all notes and you can click a note, hit Command A, and you can select more than 50 notes. In my case, it's still those 28 notes, but you could do more than 50 if you wanted to. Let me just delete this. Okay, I got all my 28 notes. I go to File, Export Notes, and I do the exact same thing. I just say my Evernote notes or whatever I want to call it, make sure it's at .enex, and I'll click Save. It'll take a second. Let's go back to Apple Notes. We'll go through the same thing, File, Import to Notes, My Evernote. You click Import. It'll take a second. Once it's got all of those imported, they'll sit in a new imported notes folder. You see it creates a new one every time. That's fine. Just delete the old one. And now I can hit Command A on all of these and drag these into my main notes folder. I'm going to do this because I actually needed to do this. So that's all there is to it. If you really want to use Apple Notes fully and get the most out of it, you may really love 2 videos that I did with notes or with tips on how I use Apple Notes and where I show some hidden features. So check those out. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that like button on the way out and have a great day. Ciao.